This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Derek Westley. If you are looking for a property that has great curb appeal, this is it. This property offers an open floor plan that is great for entertaining, split bedrooms, master en suite, eat-in kitchen and big spacious rooms. Shopping, schools, and I-35 are all within a mile radius of this great home. Property qualifies for FHA-VA financing. It also qualifies for special financing requiring a no down payment. Call listing agent for details. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek Westley at 972-293-4567.